This is Summer.
And this is Autumn. And we're going to SNR!
Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm very excited. I want to get my bubblegum ice cream. And I want to shop.
Shop. Do you even have money?
Mama's paying. Look there, guys. Mama's paying that girl.
Who's driving?
Kuya Judy. His name is Junie.
We passed by Shopwise.
Yeah. I pick up her by the canto.
Canto.
I don't know how to say canto. We're almost here. We're just going to go to right because we are in
Yeah, we're already in Circuit, guys.
the Slan Hot Pot.
What? We're not eating there.
Biscuits.
We're gonna park at SNR.
Yeah, because we're going to SNR, guys.
Yes, sir.
We're going to buy my tita's stuff that she needs.
Yeah.
Right? We're going to vlog when we're inside already, okay? And we
Okay,
find
do a
parking.
transition.
Bye, guys. I like doing monkey bars. Sitting here because my legs are tired, you know. So I got Coke Zero, but my sister doesn't like because she doesn't like Coke Zero. So
Yeah.
I'm going to stop it.
Guys, may nabudol na naman yung sister ko. So, she's out there. Ayan, no? May nabudol na naman siya. She got Choco Baby, but it's for the both of us, so.
Yeah, we're
I think
going to
that's
share
good.
because it's so big. Like, how am I going to finish this?
Yeah.
So big. Oh, that's my favorite. Oh, I want that. So we're here in SNR food court. There's some posters over there.
We're just waiting for our pizza, and Mama's just waiting over there. And me and Natum and Kuya Junie and Mama Cherry are all hungry. So yeah, we're going home. SNR was successful. See you guys next time. Bye.